Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Kylie Skin's new lip scrub, and this lip scrub is new, but it came in like a bundle pack. So I got the lip scrub, which is new, and I got the lip mask, I believe. Yeah. So it's the sugar lip scrub and the hydrating lip mask. Let me do a thumbnail. Your Kylie Skin products. I'm so excited for you to see what we have for you this year. Cute. I love all the pink packaging. Love pink. So that's cute. And it also comes with some stickers. Ooh, these stickers are super cute. All right, let's see. Let's get into this. First, I'll open the lip scrub. And it comes with an applicator. And this is what this looks like. Where's the camera? This is absolutely brown sugar. It smells like fall. And then we'll open the hydrating lip mask. Now, no smell. No smell at all. All right, let's try it out. I'll use the applicator. And put a real little bit. When I purchased this about a week ago, the lip scrub was sold out. I don't know if they restocked or what yet, but just a real little bit. And then I'll feels really good. Of course the sugar's gonna exfoliate it, but it feels like it's really thick also, so it feels like a balm that you're putting on your lips. It feels really good. All right. Okay, so I just wiped off the lip scrub. It feels like you don't even need anything afterwards. And like this really moisturizes your lips. Now I'm gonna put on the hydrating lip mask. Also, we'll use the applicator. It does have a really subtle. No, it tastes like chapstick, lip balm. Tastes like it has no scent in it or anything. So that is the Kylie Skin Lip Scrub and a Kylie Skin Lip Mask. Honestly, would I recommend? Yeah, I would recommend if you need a lip scrub. I've been needing a lip scrub, and then she said that she was coming out with one, and I wanted to try her products. So I decided to give it a shot. So I just wanted to talk about the whole Kylie Skin thing in general for a quick second. Now, I like Kylie Jenner. I like the Kardashian Jenner crew. People don't for whatever reason. I really don't get it. It's a bunch of women that seem like they're happy. They seem like they like what they're doing. They all have businesses. They have a lot of money. They seem content with life at the moment. And I mean, isn't that all what we want? We want to be happy. We want to own our own businesses, or at least like the position that we're in, and you know, just be doing something for ourselves. I know that they probably didn't make all the right decisions in life, like all of us. No, I'm not a esthetician, a dermatologist. I'm not a skin connoisseur or anything with skin. Like, I'm not. I try to do what I feel like is best for mine, and that's about as far as it goes. So I don't know if her skincare is like really good or really not good, but I don't see any big companies or big brands saying that it's not good. Then again, I'm not out there looking for it, but I feel like if it was so bad as everybody is saying, then she would have halted production, or she would have stopped selling it, or made a limited release of Kylie Skin and just faded away. I don't know. The only people that I see putting it down is people on YouTube. I just feel like because people don't like Kylie Jenner and they don't like the Kardashians / Jenners, that whatever they do or whatever they come out with, it's going to get hate. Like, it doesn't matter. It can literally be the same product packaged up by somebody else, different name, and they'll like it. They just won't like it because it's Kylie Skin. With the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, it made his face red. It's like, you have fair skin, so probably if you're using any type of scrub, it's probably going to make your skin irritated. I feel like it was kind of like low-key shady to make that like a huge big deal considering the platform, but I think that there's some like underlying, they don't get along for whatever reason. I don't know the drama. I'm not a part of it. I don't understand the hate. So I would recommend this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.